especially during our cold snap. That's all we've got for you. We'll see you next time. Oh.
But we have a little bit of time left, so that's okay. Now, I want to reflect on just how beautiful a day it was out today before we get to all that nasty wet weather that's coming for tomorrow. We had a high of 64 degrees. Now, I want to point out two things about this. One, we are right where we should be for this time of year. 64 degrees is our climatological normal temperature for January 24th. Now, what that means is that we had mild, beautiful conditions out there. We have been below average for so long, and we might be going back down to below average fairly soon. Also, I want to point out our low. 40-degree difference between our low and high. Well, folks, that's why people love Florida in the winter, because it does warm up during the day. Where else can you get that? Outside right now, Tallahassee Regional Airport, we have a temperature of 60 degrees. Those winds are to the south-southwest. Our winds will be shifting and have more of an easterly component towards them over the course of the next 24 hours, and that'll help bring all of the moisture off the Gulf into our region. So temperatures right now across the area, again, 60 in Tallahassee. We move off to our north, upper 50s, and as we move off towards the south and east, we have some mid-60s, 64 over there in Gainesville. All right, here's the big story. You've been hearing it all night. Look at all of this rain that will be making its way towards us. Now, this is a low-pressure system that kind of developed off of a cold front that's associated with another low-pressure system way off in the northern half of our country. As we move into tomorrow, this system will begin to make its way towards us, increasing our rain chances even as early as tonight for portions of the western panhandle. So let's see what that looks like. So here's that low pressure system. Again, counterclockwise flow is going to push all of this Gulf moisture up and affect much of the Gulf Coast region as we head into tomorrow. Pretty much everyone right along the coast here will see rain by the time all is said and done on Wednesday. But as far as our area, tomorrow, look for the rain to begin early in the morning, continue through the day. Now, midday to about dinner time, we can't rule out the possibility of a thunderstorm. However, the severe threat is limited to the peninsula part of Florida, not to us. You could still hear a few rumbles of thunder, though. And Wednesday, things will begin to cool off and will also be quite breezy on Wednesday. So here's a look at how much rain you can expect. Here it comes. All right, Tuesday by 7 p.m. Look at these darker colors. That's heavier rain. We're looking at about 2 inches of rain widespread across the Big Bend. Some local areas could see up to 4 inches of rain. Now, that's quite a lot, and you want to be careful for ponding on the roads tomorrow. Make sure you watch out, drive very, very carefully, because just a few inches of water can take your vehicle floating down the road. So for tonight, 20% chance of rain for Tallahassee. Clouds begin to roll in. We already saw the clouds increase into tonight. The rain will start from west to east, and that's also how it will be ending tomorrow night into Wednesday. So we'll take a quick look at our 7-day forecast. There it is again, 100% chance of rain for tomorrow. All right, here comes the 7-day forecast. There it is. All right, rain on Tuesday, windy on Wednesday, conditions clearing as we head into the weekend. Perfect for those outdoor plans. Now let's go back to the desk one last time.
Thanks, Amanda, and I'm sorry for trying to prematurely end the show here before that last segment. I mean, it's just so much fun back here. I completely lost track of time, and there you have it. But we've continued the